Do you have a logo presentation to show your client in the next couple of hours or even in the next 5 minutes? Well, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly generate professional logo presentations in Adobe Illustrator. So we're going to be using Akrivi Studio in Adobe Illustrator, which is an extension. You can see we have logo grids, logo presentations, brand guidelines, and soon to have files. But we're going to be focusing, of course, on logo presentations. So you can see we have our 3 different concepts for the same brand, which is Reflect. And you can also see my personal designer logo in the corner and Praco Design. So we're going to start off with the designer tab. To start this, I'm just going to upload my own logo. And now I'm going to insert my name and also my email. And of course, if you have a personal font that you use, you can change it. So I'm going to go with Helvetica. Everyone loves a good old Helvetica. And you can change your primary color as a designer. Mine's black. I'm always in black. I love black. So I'm going to just keep it as black. And now I'm going to go to the concepts tab. And you can see we have the 3 different concepts. So if you just want one concept, you can just have one. But if you want 2, you can have 2. And then you can also have 3. The maximum concepts is 3. So I'm going to go in and type in the brand name, which is Reflect. And now I'm going to go in and add the concept, starting with concept 1. So you can see just the same as Akrivi Guide. If you've used that to generate brand guidelines, you have your Logomark, Logotype, and full logo. So what I'm going to do is upload the first concept. And you can see the colors are the same as what's already laid out here in the extension, just to make it more efficient. And I'm now going to upload those 2 together to do set full logo. And the same process will apply for this because it's still a Logomark and a Logotype. And I'm going to keep the fonts the same. So I've gone ahead and added concept 2 the same way as concept 1. However, when it comes to concept 3, because concept 3 is a Wordmark, so you have to upload it differently. So I'm going to select the logo and then I'm going to do set logo type. And I'm also going to do the same in set full logo. And now when it comes to set Logomark, I'm going to choose one letter from the Wordmark, so one responsive component. And in this case, which is typically the same for Wordmarks, I'm going to use the first letter and I'm going to do set Logomark. And now I'm going to go ahead and change the font. So I'm just going to go with the same as the Wordmark. And again, the colors are the same. So now we have that. We can now go to the templates tab. I'm going to start off with the focus tab. So let's generate and see how that looks. So you can see the focus template has been generated. Our logo presentation is ready. We need to just go in and make changes. Of course, it's not instantly ready. You want to go in and add any mockups and also just look through the document. Here you can see all the different pages that have been generated and the logo being displayed in black and white across 3 different concepts. And you can also see how well the Wordmark version of the logo has been generated. You can see it here, it works very well. And also on the final pages, when it's displayed, you can see how well and how nice this looks all displayed there, showing how responsive the logo is. And when you go through the document, you can also explore other tools in Akrivi Studio. So for example, you want to create a construction grid with this tool. So what you want to do is go to logo grids and use the construction tool. So you can just select the logo and do generate all, and you can see your construction grid. And of course you can spend time customizing it, making sure it's all right and your logo is perfect, and just displaying to your client how perfect your logo is. And then you can see you also have variation pages that you can go in and add different variations of your logo. And we have a typography page, so whatever font you use will be added here, just like you can see with the Wordmark was a bit different because we changed the font. And then you have your color palettes and you have your logo in different colors. So in the full color that you've uploaded on a white background, and also in the white color with the primary as the background. And of course, every logo presentation should have bento grids. So this page is a good opportunity to create a bento grid. And it's so easy to do so in Akrivi Studio using the bento tool to just select the box and you can choose which type of bento grid you want to use. Let's say we go with centered. You can customize how many sections you want, choose the corner radius along with the gutter. And if you just want to see different alternatives, you can just do shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And of course, every designer presents their logos very differently. So we have the pages tab, which gives you the ability to remove any pages you don't want to include. So let's say we didn't want to include the goal page, brand attributes, or brand personality. And let's also say we want to get rid of the logo equation pages. So you can see when selecting logo equation page, it's going to remove it for all concepts. So across all of the 3 concepts, let's do that. And we're just going to do delete pages. And as you can see, the selected pages have been deleted. If for some reason you want them back, you can just do undo, but of course you can just keep them deleted. And if you're not too fond of the all black template, we have our normal looking templates. So you can see this is the friendly template. So the aim is to match your style as a designer, but also your client's brand. So for example, my style is quite minimal and geometric and Swiss as a designer, and I attract those type of clients. So my presentations always work well with the type of client projects I get. So you can see this is a playful kind of template that you can go in and you can see all of these shapes and everything's quite rounded and friendly. And now we have the maximal template. This will work very well with condensed as well. So, and then you have our minimal, so a very simple minimal template. And now we have our natural, which is kind of like an earthy kind of template. And lastly, structured. Structured is actually my favorite because it has all of these grid lines. It feels very modular. If you're a professional brand identity designer, Akrivi Studio speeds up your workflow so you can create and deliver flawless brand identities faster. Spend less time on repetitive tasks, focus more on the creative work, and present brands to your clients with confidence. You can start your free trial today using the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and if you want more tools and tips to speed up your brand identity workflow, hit the subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below.